Good day guys, this is Sid and welcome to my kitchen. Here it is, some of the things you need to know to get the most out of your kitchen. Today, I want to share with you some of the basic solutions and tips to help you fall in love with your kitchen, no matter how big or small it is. Cooking well is a progression, starting with the setup of your space, to the selection of your ingredients, and the cooking world calls this mise en place, and the time you actually apply the heat. So let's start at the beginning with a very basic of the kitchen that every home chef should know. Get organized. When you clean off your counters, you get your counters back. You can think clearly about the recipe you are working on. Clean counters plus clean kitchen equals delicious food. So it's time to dive in. Now I'm going to show you how to cook a perfect steak. Rub the meat with a good amount of oil, season with salt and freshly ground black peppercorn. In order for the meat to get the greatest possible flavor, make sure to cook with a super hot pan when you sear the meat. Cook the steak 4 to 5 minutes on one side, turn, and cook 3 more minutes on the other side. That's how I like it, medium rare. So, if you want to see a mouth-watering creation, let's get started. There you go guys, a perfect beef tenderloin steak, a creamy mashed potato and cauliflower with a garlicky green beans. Please subscribe to the channel, sit at my table, and don't forget to hit the bell to get updated new videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Enjoy!